Garlic and thyroid. Thyroid is a body condition where you need regular medication along with proper diet to regulate the symptoms and see improvement in a few years. While medication comes as mandatory part, diet plays a vital role as well. For people with thyroid and autoimmune thyroid conditions, eating a diet based on whole foods is of course very important. One such part of the regular diet can be garlic. Garlic has numerous health benefits, and that's why everyone should be consuming garlic on a regular basis. Firstly, garlic is highly nutritious and contains a low number of calories. It has power to combat sickness along with the common cold. The active compounds in garlic reduces the blood pressure and mitigates the risk of heart diseases. Garlic is also known as Allium sativum. Garlic for thyroid. Garlic is thyroid friendly because it supports blood sugar metabolism and can fight inflammation. They balance out foods that are rich in fats and carbohydrates too. Studies have shown that garlic has protective effects on various body systems. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds, enzymes, vitamins, proteins, minerals, saponins, flavonoids that offer antioxidant and antimicrobial effects. Garlic for metabolism. Garlic is known to boost the metabolism. It further helps a person to lose weight efficiently. Garlic is also known as appetite suppressant. It helps keep you fuller for longer, further preventing from overeating. Conclusion. Garlic is beneficial in thyroid. You can find the right quantity of garlic on consulting your doctor. One thing we know for surely is its ability to fight the inflammation. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.